New and exclusive information tonight about a frightening situation involving what the Columbus Fire Department called a contagious emergency. Good evening, everyone. I'm Colleen Marshall.
And I'm Dwayne Pullman. Medics were called to Rocky Way Lane on the southwest side after a woman who just returned from Africa came down with a high fever and flu-like symptoms. Medics in hazmat suits responded, preparing for the worst and taking that patient to Grant Medical Center. Tonight, NBC4's Candace Lee spoke exclusively with the patient's brothers. Candace is live at Grant Medical Center with new information about what the woman does not have.
Yeah, Dwayne, I can confirm that Columbus Public Health tells me that the patient, a 37-year-old woman, is currently not being tested for the Ebola virus. They say that she has been given a tentative alternative diagnosis, but wouldn't say what that diagnosis is because of HIPAA rules. Now, in an NBC4 exclusive, I spoke to her brother, who says she fell ill after returning from West Africa. Omar Sila came to his sister's apartment off Demarest Road tonight to check on his nieces.
She visited our family. Everybody's healthy. Everybody's good.
His sister is the patient admitted to Grant Medical Center late in the day. Omar tells me she just returned to Columbus after spending 3 weeks visiting family in the African country of Sierra Leone.
She just got back about 3 days ago. She called me today that she's not feeling good. She's got high fever and wants me to come and get her to the hospital.
Instead, Omar says the family called Columbus Public Health officials. Communications Director Jose Rodriguez says they closely monitor travelers returning from African countries where the Ebola virus is present.
They advised the ambulances was going to be here, and so I was here and met with them, and then, they transported her safely to the Grant Medical Center.
Medics and other personnel from Columbus Division of Fire responded to the home dressed in hazmat gear. After the 37-year-old woman arrived here at Grant Medical Center, CFD set up a decontamination unit, cleaning the ambulance and gear used to transport her. Standard protocol, Deputy Chief Tracy Smith tells NBC4. Omar spoke to his sister in the evening. He says her spirits are high.
She's doing very good. Matter of fact, she just called me like about 5 minutes ago from the hospital. She said they took off the hazmat suit and it's leaning pretty much towards malaria.
Omar says he is grateful for the care and treatment his sister has received from doctors and Columbus Fire.
They did everything right. They respected the family, It's good.
Rodriguez, Communications Director for Columbus Public Health, tells me that the patient will tomorrow. On Monday, the World Health Organization reported that the last known Ebola patient in Sierra Leone was released from the hospital. Reporting live outside Grant Medical Center, Candace Lee, NBC4.
Thank you, Candace. Now, you might remember exposed to Ebola visited northeastern Ohio. Amber Vinson was planning her wedding in Akron. When she returned to Texas, she found out she did have the disease. 122 people in Summit and Cuyahoga counties who came in contact with Vinson were monitored, but no one here contracted the disease. Vinson recovered after aggressive treatment. And we will continue to bring you updates on this story on air and online at NBC4i.com.